Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. So in this one, we know that 22 that is about number 2 multiplied by 11. This one that is about number 3 with 11, and 44 that is about number 4 and 11 in here. So if we look carefully this one, and this one, we can see that they increase from 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that means this is about n factorial. So the next one, we see that this is about the odd numbers in here. That means that is about 2n minus number 1. And now we can find the general term in here. That should be about 11 multiplied by n factorial over 1 multiplied by number 3, number 5, until 2n minus number 1. And this one, that is about the sum. So we can put like this. And this is the answer for the first one. Now we can use about the ratio test to make sure that the series is convergent or divergent. So we have un. That is about this one. Now let's go to un plus 1. So that means we put n plus 1 cone here and here. So we have like this. So we put n plus 1 cone here. So to n plus number 2, because number 2 multiplied by n plus 1, we have 2n plus number 2 minus number 1. And 2 minus number 1, we have positive number 1. So we can use about the ratio test. So that means we have the limit and approach to positive infinity, and we have the absolute value between un plus 1 over un. So for this one, we can see that n factorial. This one is about n plus 1 factorial. We can convert into n factorial multiplied by n plus 1. So n factorial divided by this one. So we just have only n plus 1. 11 we simplify. So in here we have n plus 1. The next one, in this one, we will have about 2n minus 1. So this one in here, simplify this one in here. So now we just have only 2n plus 1. Now we can divide by n on numerator and denominator. So when n approach to positive infinity, This one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. So we just have only 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.